Hello guys, it's Ritik Roy from Roy Education World. Today we have to study refraction of light. The topic refractive index. What is a refractive index? It is a ratio of speed of light in a medium with respect to speed of light in another medium. Let us see here. It is a ratio of speed of light in a medium with respect to speed of light in another medium. Let us see here. It is a glass slab, rectangular glass slab, and it is a air medium, and this is a glass medium. Now, in air, the particles are not tightly packed, but in glass slab, particles are tightly packed. So the light do not get a efficient space to travel in glass slab, but it get efficient space to travel in air. We know light is a hurry. Light always take quickest path. So there is difference between speed of light in air medium and glass medium. So when we find the ratio of speed of light in two another mediums is known as refractive index. Let us see. Speed of light in air is something and speed of light in glass is something. When we find speed of light in air with respect to speed of light in a particular medium is known as absolute refractive. See here, when it is written that N21, it is not 21, it is N21. It means that speed of light, it is ratio of speed of light in first medium with respect to speed of light in second medium. Or when it is written that N12, it means that speed of light, ratio of speed of light in second medium with respect to speed of light in first medium. Okay, and when it is written that Nm, means it is a ratio of speed of light in air with respect to speed of light in a special medium. For example, here we take the air and glass. Okay, and this is also known as absolute refractive. Let us see here something. Refractive index of air is 1. Refractive index of air is 1, where refractive index of water is 1.33. Refractive index of air is 1, whereas refractive index of water is 1.33. Let us prove it. How it is refractive index of water air is 1, whereas refractive index of water is 1.33. Now let us prove it. We know that the refractive index is speed of light in a medium with respect to speed of light in another medium. Let us see here. Speed of light in air. What is the speed of light in air? Speed of light in air is 299,705 km per hour. and speed of light. We have to first find the refractive index of air. Okay, we have to first find refractive index of air. Refractive index of air. We know that refractive index of air is 1. Now prove it. We know that speed of light is 299,750 km per hour. It is simple. So we may write it speed of light in air by speed of light in air. They are both medium are same. Then here we do that 29705 km per hour by 29705 km per hour, and it is going to be 1. It's okay. So refractive index of air is 1. Now we have to see refractive index of water. Means refractive index of water is 1.33. What it means? It means that absolute refractive of water is 1.33. Let us prove. We know that speed of light in air is 29705, and what is the speed of light in water? Speed of light in water, is equals to 225,000. 225,000. Okay. Now find the refractive index. Okay, we have to divide now. Okay, erase all this. Okay. Yes, we know that the speed of light in air is 299,705. 299,705, and speed of light in water is 225,000. Okay, first we have to divide it by 1. Okay, then it is going to be 225,000. Okay, this is 5 and this is also 5. Okay, this is 50747, and this is going to be cut. Okay, it is of 5 and this is of 6. Then we have to put point 0. Now let us try from which digit it is going to divide. Okay, here we multiply it by 2 first. Then this is going to be 0, 0, 10, 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay, this is going to 4. It is not, it is so bigger than it. Now we have to now add it on. Okay, this is going to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 7, 6. Okay, we have to divide it by 3. Okay, here comes 6, 7, 5, 000. Okay, 0, 5, 0, 2, 14, 7. This is going to cut, and this is now it is 7. It is now of 5 digit and this is of 6 digit. Now we need to give 0 here, and we need to further divide. Then it is also going to be divided by 3. I think. Yes, it is going to be divided by 3. 6, 7, 5, 000. Okay, it is 0, 0, 5, and 5, and it is 11, 4. Okay, and it is now of 5 digit, then also we need to 0. And this is I think it is going to be of 45. By 2. It's okay. It is going to be 2. Then it is 5 0 0 0 0. Okay, 0 0 0 5 0. It is going to 5. Then we have to put a 0 here, 0. Then this is going to further calculate, but we have to take this 1.33. Okay, it is proof that refractive index of water is equals to 1.33, and refractive index of air is 1. And now we have to see highest refractive index. Highest refractive index is 2.42. It is of diamond. Now it is your homework to find refractive index of diamond, to prove the refractive index of diamond. This question are basically asked in our exams. There are many refractive index is given into NCERT. We need to prove it. Okay, bye bye. We are coming with a new video soon. Bye. We are coming with new video soon.